Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a quick makeup. It's not really a tutorial because I'm not teaching you anything, but just how I do my makeup when I get to work. So I've already cleaned and moisturized my face and applied sunscreen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly apply um, the L'Oreal Base Magic Transforming Smoothing Primer. This is supposed to give you a more matte finish, as well as kind of high. So with this in place, I'm going to go, because it's a daytime look, I'm not going for foundation, but I'm going for the Color Bar Perfect Match BB Cream. I use the color number 2 Honey Glaze. Take a little product on the back of my hand like this and go in with my sponge. I'll have to keep my mirror in front. I like my makeup to look as natural as possible, as uncakey as possible. So with the foundation done, I am now going to start with my concealer. This is something I received as a sample in one of the fab bags. It's called concealer something something. I'm going to put in all the details because I can't see very clearly right now. I'm going to put all the details in the description box. You can check it from there. Now this is a trick I learned from Lisa Eldridge's videos, where she says just focus on pinpoint concealing rather than using concealer and kind of blending it in on a larger section of the face. So I've got a lot of spots here from my recent pimple attack. So I'm going to just focus on some of them. So let's do this first before it all dries up. Oops, I haven't taken out my concealer brush. You can do it with your fingers. If I'm in a tearing hurry, I just dab it in with my fingers today because I need to go back with my bigger sponge. The Maybelline New York Clear Glow All-in-One Compact Powder. The shade that I'm using is, I will tell you later because here I can't see the shade here. Oh, this is shade number 2, Nude Beige. I've hit the pan already. I'm quite lazy, so I haven't opened my new powder box. So first I'm going to set in the concealer. And then I'll go over my whole face. It is extremely humid in Delhi right now. had it been winters, I would have used a nice dewy looking foundation in the daytime also, but right now the makeup is just melting off your face, so I want to just keep it as light as possible. So with now my face, the NYX on NYX, I don't know how it's done. There are some people who call it NYX, others call it NYX in the beauty videos. So whichever way you prefer. This is a 3-shade palette called Love in Rio. Somebody had gifted it to me, so I kind of quite like it. So I am going to go in with a fluffy brush to begin with and use the middle shade here to and go over with this over my entire eye. I'm not a pro at eye makeup, so I like to keep my eyes as simple as possible. It's slightly shiny, but because it's very finely milled, it doesn't kind of look like big shiny bits. It kind of just gives brush which is kind of a little flat, so it's easy to apply on the creases. I'm going to just take a very slight touch of the charcoaly shade here, and just at the corners of my eyes. I'm not even going to do the entire crease. I'm just going to keep it like this. To go in with the lightest shade here for the inner corners of my eyes. It doesn't have to be very it doesn't have to be very accurate. Middle shade, I'm going to use my flat brush again and go over the lower lash line just to give it that. And I'll just go back with my fluffy brush and blend it in so that there are my eyebrows. I don't use a separate thing for eyebrows. Usually I have a eyeshadow palette which I use to fill in my brows. Right now I only have the Lakme Iconic eye pencil in brown. So it's going to be just a light, it's a twist up pen, so it's just going to be a very light touch on my eyebrows. So nothing too harsh. It's just that the outer part of my eyebrows is a little bold, so that's the only place I do it. I don't go inside unless I'm doing a more dramatic evening makeup. So for the daytime, so with the same pencil, I am going to line out the bottom part of my lash line. Just a hint. To give it a slight definition. And then I'll take my liquid eyeliner. This is the L18 Blackout Liner. This is a purely liquid liner. I'm very fond of this. I've been using this for years, even though I've had other eyeliners, eyeliner pens and all. But I feel very close to this. A little bit on my brush, and I'm just going to throw a slim line across my lashes. And not a wing, but just a slight lift, so that the eyes aren't looking too big. I'm terrified of using eyelash curler, so I'm not going to curl my lashes. What I'm going to do is just put mascara on them. I don't have very long fluffy lashes, so it doesn't really matter. This is the Rimmel London Volume Flash Scandaleyes Mascara. This is one of my favorites. I've bought and rebought this many times. It really does give a lot of volume to my sparse and short lashes. So just a slight hint. I may go with multiple coats of lashes if I have an evening do, but otherwise because it's summer and it's daytime, I don't use very heavy blushes. It's called the this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush. This is in the shade Autumn Glow. I don't know why autumn, but anyway, this is a finely milled powder. So I just take a little bit on the lid and dip my brush, tap it off, and then just on the apples of my cheeks. Dry, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of tiny bit of lip balm. And you know what? I forgot my lip pencil. So anyway, what to do? So I'm rubbing off the balm, and I'm using the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rust Lust. I learned somewhere that when we're applying liquid lipstick, we shouldn't do that like we usually do with our lipsticks, because it kind of spoils the texture. So we're going to just let it dry. So this is the kind of semi-final look that I've done, because I usually wear Indian clothes to work, which would either be a sari or a salwar kameez. I generally like to add a bindi which matches the colors that I'm wearing. But right now I've forgotten to bring in my bindi as well. So there's going to be no bindi. You can just imagine a little dot between my eyebrows, matching the clothes that I'm going to wear. So this is the kind of semi-final look, you could say. So this is my makeup schedule. So I think I took about 10 minutes to apply the makeup. If I went in quicker with the concealer, it would be much faster. And the concealer usually just spot. I don't like to spread my concealer. I don't know how people blend it, but that's how it is. So without much ado, let me just say bye bye to you, and I'll see you again on my channel.